Hey guys, I have something to say about the APN not working anymore. I don't think so if your devices are compatible with that APN. Sometimes I get errors, so I decide to change my content to gaming. I've played an online game tutorial. Check out my YouTube channel. I hope you like it, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. So now, let me check the first design notes in a keywords before proceeding with the game. Read carefully here. It's a happy Freedom Day, especially for American heroes. There's an event at Battleon. Go check out the featured shop and get the free IC item, so it's a pet or more. Go to shop, then click the featured shop button. Let's see what items we can get here. Choose items wisely before you purchase them in the game. If your membership is for 1 month to 12 months, you can buy any gear in a shop via gold. I like this sparkler overload. It looks nice. I would like to choose this cherry blossom fairy partner with my weapon. Yeah, I'm gonna become a fairy tale.
Sana all.
And also a shadow sakura blossom visage. I'm gonna pick one for this helm, so make it cute like a K-pop. For a cap, I'm gonna choose sparkling blossom wings, which are also great. Next is a free pet fireworks party. Twilly, buy it now before it's gone. One of the most pretty pets is a sweet sakura petal fox, so very cute and lovely. This is the complete set of fairy tales that I'll show you today. I hope you like it. See you on the next video. Have a great day.